Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll discuss about these new GST notifications which came out on 24 June 2020. So these notifications are basically about due dates of GST returns. It's very confusing to study these due date from notifications. So I've made up a summary for you all and we'll discuss the due dates from my summary only. So I've divided my summary in two parts. The part 1 will consist of the due dates for SSCs having turnover more than 5 crores, and part 2 is for SSCs having turnover less than 5 crores. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So first of all, we'll discuss about SSCs having turnover more than 5 crores. For these assessees, the GSTR 3B due dates for the month of February, March and April was extended to 24 June 2020 by previous notifications. The notifications which came out on 24 June 2020 was regarding lowering of interest rate and waiver of late fees. So for the month of February 2020, there will be no rate of interest for first 15 days from original due date. Here the original due date means here the original due date for the month of February means March 2020. So there will be no interest rate for from March 2020 till 4th April 2020, 9% from 4th April 2020 to 24 June 2020, and thereafter 18%. Similarly, there will be no late fees if these returns are filed by 24 June 2020. But if these returns are not filed up to 24 June 2020, the late fees will be applicable from original due date. Similarly, it'll be similar for March and April. In case of May, the due date was extended to 27 June 2020 by notification number 36 2020. There's no lowering of interest for the month of May. So interest at the rate of 18% will be applicable if returns are not filed till 27 June 2020. And same applies for the late fees. For, uh, for the GSTR 1, the due dates for March is extended to 10 July 2020, and April 2020 is extended to 24 July. For May, it has been extended to 28 July, and for June, it has been extended to 5th August. There will be no late fees if these returns are filed by these dates, by these specific dates. Now we'll discuss about SSCs having aggregate turnover up to rupees 5 crores. So the due dates is different for these SSCs in different states. I have mentioned about these states in the document. You can see that for the month of February, it's 30th June for both the category of state. For March, it's 3rd July and 5th July. For April, it's 6th July and 9th July. For May, it's 12th September and 15th September. For June, it's 23rd September and 25th September. For July, it's 27th September and 29th September. And for August, it's 1st October and 3rd October. There is no rate of interest if the returns are filed till the extended 3B due dates, 9% after these extended due dates till 30th 9 2020, and 18% thereafter. There will be no late fees if the GSTR 3B is filed till the extended due dates. Similarly, it applies to March, April, May, June, July. For the month of August, there's no the 9% per annum interest will be applicable or not is not clear. So the clarification is awaited for this. Now coming on to the GSTR 1 due dates. For the month of March, it has been extended to 10 July 2020 for those who file their returns quarterly. For the month of January to March, it has been extended to 17th July. For April, it has been extended to 24th July. For May, 28th July. And for June, 5th August. For those SSCs who file their returns quarterly, the due dates for April to June has been extended to 3rd August 2020. Now, uh, now if you haven't filed your return from July 17 till January 2020, and if you have nil tax liability, Then there will be no late fees if you file the GSTR 3B during 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. If there was a tax liability, the maximum late fees has been capped at rupees 500 per return. What needs to be analyzed over here is the reduced late fees would apply for GSTR 3B returns furnished between 1st July 2020 to 30th September 2020. For those who have filed the late fees earlier, there will be no relaxation. And it is to be noted that relief in late fees is only for GSTR 3B, not for GSTR 1. In case there is a tax liability, the rate of interest still continues to be 18% per annum. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please like and share and subscribe to my channel.